Hello friends. Each of us always has soulmates. For some people, the guitar is like their soulmate. The guitar is always with them, comforting them and giving them a lot of creative inspiration. A retro-colored guitar on hand-painted rock is a work of art for those who love guitar or have special memories with it. A great gift for yourself, your loved ones, and friends. For more information, please visit website emeraldblossoms.com. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.